Hello fellas, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change the location on YouTube. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is the easiest way to upload videos online and watch videos with almost every type of content. We can share videos of any content like facts, cooking, daily vlogging, or totally study material. There is no limitation on the size or content of the video, and also, we can search for any type of video. So, in order to change the location on YouTube, you simply need to go to the web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on your profile and click on location. Choose your location. As you can see at the logo of YouTube, it is changed into YouTube of Argentina. Now when you click on trending icon, it will show you the trending videos of Argentina. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.